I am Jarsha Ranjit of class 9B. Today I would like to give a presentation on the topic Tourism in India and a comparative study of Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. India has been recognized as a destination for spiritual tourism for domestic and international tourists. Each destination has so many surprises for tourists to explore and discover the full extent of life. Himachal Pradesh. It is a state in the northern part of India. It is also home to the most captivating locations in the world. Kerala. It is also a state of India, which is on the southwestern Malabar coast. Whenever we hear the word Kerala, our imagination places us in a houseboat in the famous backwaters, drinking coconut water and eating in a plantain leaf. The aim of the project is to study about tourism in India and compare Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. Tourism in India. First of all, tourism. It is an unavoidable part of human life. We can gain knowledge about the place, culture, civilization, etc. by tourism. Tourism in India. Travel and tourism plays an important role in India's economy. Compared with other nations, India ranks 14 in the world in terms of its contribution to GDP. It boosts our economy and employs thousands of people. Some of the top tourist places in India. It includes Taj Mahal, the monument of eternal love, which is situated in Agra. And next comes the Darjeeling. It is situated in West Bengal. And Munnar, the tea gardens of Kerala. And it is followed by the Mysore Palace, which is situated in Karnataka, and Ooty. It is situated in Tamil Nadu. Visiting India is the dream of every foreigner because of its rich culture and heritage. A comparative study of Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. First, Himachal Pradesh. It is a hilly state in North India and it is considered to be a paradise for every nature lover. It derives its origin from two Hindi words, Im and Anchal, meaning snow and lap respectively. Shimla is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is referred to as Dev Bhumi due to its mention in some ancient Hindu text, and locally it is known as the land of gods because of some popular Hindu temples of some deities. Top tourist places of Himachal Pradesh. First one, Manali. It is a beautiful hill station which is located in the Kullu district. Besides its natural charm and unparalleled beauty, Manali is known for its unlimited adventure opportunities. Next one, Shimla. It is the beautiful hill station which attracts the tourists all over the world. It is the capital city and the largest city of Himachal Pradesh, and it has the pleasant weather throughout the year. So it is known as the Queen of Hill Station. Now Kerala. It is an extremely beautiful tourist destination that attracts global tourists. It is situated in the southwestern Malabar coast. Kerala is believed to be a gift of Arabian Sea. The breathtaking hill stations, the beautiful lagoons, and the amazing natural scenarios, etc., make Kerala the land of beauty and a paradise on earth. It is usually known as the God's own country. The wealth of natural beauty in the form of plucked backwaters, lush greenery, and beautiful beaches, etc., resulted in the name the God's own country. Tourist places in Kerala. Alappi or Alappuzha tops the list of the best tourist attractions in Kerala. It is famous for its backwaters. Alappi was described by Lord Curzon as the Venice of the East. Next comes the Munnar. It is one of the most beautiful hill stations in Kerala. It is famous for its tea and spice plantation. Outline map of Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. Similarities and differences between Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. First, similarities. These both states have the same literary rate, and the law and order is also somehow similar. And next one, the Himachal Pradesh and Kerala, both states attract tourists all over the world. Now, differences. Himachal Pradesh is a hilly area while Kerala is a coastal area. The language of Kerala is Malayalam while Himachal's language is Hindi and Pahari. And there is a difference in the food also. The people of Kerala usually prefer seafood while the Himachali cuisine is different from the Kerala's food. By this, I would like to conclude that India, the land of attractions, attracts us by its natural wonders that fill a traveler's heart with joy. And thank you all.